BMW E61, E60. It's same. After a long time standing, about 2 months, battery was dead, flat. Now I have changed new battery, but car is not starting. Yes, it's not starting, and I connected Diagnostic and I see this is not important, not important, not important, but this one is important. For A63. To fix that, we must go back, special functions, adjustments, DME CAS. Yes, ignition on, ignition is on, second position. Okay, start next step. Okay, and now the description we don't need. Number 3, because we not installed new control unit. Turn off ignition. Okay. Engine start possible again. Okay. Go ignition on. Go back. Go back. Read fault codes. Tampering. History. Not current. Okay. Ignition off. Ignition on. Voila. Engine is started. Sounds good. And like this.